Okay, what I've done, you can see, is I've marked it down the side there. I've gone 2.5 centimetres in. That's 25mm from there to there, and these are for the the voltmeters. One for the leisure battery, which is going to run my pump and my hose reel, blah blah blah, bits and pieces like that, and the other one just to check that I've got the right, everything's coming in. That comes from a car battery. Now basically what I'm doing, see there, is I'm using a Dremel. Great little tools. There's a little cutting off bits you get down the side down there. So whatever way you want to do, don't go on fast speed. Be half sensible there. Try and sort of show you. Let's see if I can get it in a little bit more. Alright. Okay, as you can see there. Very carefully, just have a little look. Turn up a little bit more. Basically that's just a quick way. There you can see, hopefully, there you go, 2 straight cuts, and I'll just go down the middle, just a minute ago. I'm doing 2 of these. I've got to do one for a mate as well, and there you go. See my lines, you cut them all out. You can just burr the edges off. All this sort of gunk and all this crumble comes off after a while. I'll show you in a minute, and obviously they just go bang and fit in. I'll show you in a bit. This is a great way. Get some little sandy discs for the Dremel, just for the final little things. You can go inside, the burrs on the bottom there. Don't have to worry too much. Look. You don't want any of that, you see. Turn it down a little bit there. Use it just to do the final little millimetres. Little bits in the corner you can't quite reach. There we go. Right, there it is, cut out, and as you can see, with the bottom end of the sander, you can just file away and just get it nice and get rid of all the burrs and make it half sensible and tidy. And you just plonk that in there like that. It's got some little ends there that when you push in spring back out again, if you can see that. There you go, and a nice tight fit. That's the start. Right, next thing is to drill the holes. Right, that there switch is going to be there. That's going to be for my controller. I'm going to drill a little hole there. That's for my dial and everything like that. Then I'm going to have another little one here. It's going to be for my bilge pump. I'm going to put one of them on there as well for the old backpack. And I've got another spare one somewhere. Can't remember where it is. I might put another one in. Not too sure at the moment, but just as a spare. But basically what you can do, I've drilled a nice perfect hole there, so that's not a problem. What I thought I'd let you see is, if you haven't got the right drill bit, don't make any difference, get the biggest drill bit you can. I don't know if you can see here, well hopefully you can. Drill there, and then see what I'm trying to do? I can use this drill as a file. So right, I have decided to put another one in. So I've got this little idea that I might need it, but I have got a thought about lights in the back of the motor, so I could use that for some little strip lights or something that I'm thinking about putting 12 volt. I have to look into that, but obviously I might need it for something else. So while I'm ready, if you wonder what that one is, that one's going in as well. Okay, sorry about the mess here. As you can see, it's a workshop. Right, also what I've done inside, I'll show you a more wire diagram later on. I've got a bit of Gorilla Glue here, and I've just dubbed one or two little bits and pieces around there just to make sure it's pretty sturdy. They're pretty tight fit, so everything's fine, but just to make sure. Also fills any little tiny gaps in case you get a little bit of water, but you shouldn't do because it's going to be above the pump and everything. And it's easy if you want to get it off. You can snap it with a Stanley knife or a screwdriver or something. What I have done is I put a switch relay in here as well. So this is obviously the cover. I've just done this, so I don't want to lift it up. This is the cover, so all these wires are going to be extended into a box at the back, which is over here. I just thought before I put the cover in and start doing the wires, just thought I'd let you know. So basically everything's in here now. Yeah. Right, this is as good as finished now. Be the last one. You can see now I've connected now. What I've done now is the top one. As you can see, that's just going to run the pump. You can hear that. Also, you can use that as a digital or an analog. Right, one I've got there is just to make sure that the battery down the bottom is okay. This one is going to be for the internal lights. Also, I'm not 100% sure. I've just put another one in, but it will do internal lights or anything like that. It also, or I might even do it for the hose pipe, the electric wheel. This one works that, which is a cigarette lighter, which can do the MP3 player, bits and pieces like that. Also should have enough power just to charge up a backpack or something like that. That was the sort of idea, just to give it a quick 5 minutes if you run out. I'll say there's my electric wheel. That will be done in the next couple of days now, because that's pretty much all set up, just waiting for this. This little gadget at the bottom now, that's just got to go in there. That's just going to connect a little wire there to tell me the temperature outside. It was only $3.99, it was just a great bit of fun. Tells me the temperature outside, then inside I'm going to put it on the tank. It's got a clock, it's a voltmeter as well if I need another one. It's got a light. All sounds at $3.99, it's a bit of fun. Anyway, it's for my 18-year-old boy, just to try and get him a bit of fun. I'll just quickly show you what else it has got inside. Right, this is the inside. As you can see, I've made my own little fuse holders. Everything's all fused just in case, so nothing's going to go. Maybe voltmeters inside. What I've done is also has a switch relay, which I've decided, so everything now comes off the Leisure battery, so I won't run out. But there you go. So that's a bit of fun just for an old, but I mean, I've made a controller now. It's over 3 years old. It's good as gold. Only cheap little parts. 99p the voltmeters are. Relay 12 quid. Cigarette lighter 99p. It's only little things. This cost about 30 quid. This. And it's just enjoyable if you like that sort of thing.